12 hacks you didn't know about Vaseline. Hi beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel. Many people living in the world use Vaseline for beautiful skin. Also, you can use only Vaseline instead of many products that you use, because Vaseline has many uses. So now, let's see what those advantages are. To grow eyelashes. One of the best solutions to grow eyelashes naturally is to apply a very small amount of Vaseline to your eyelashes before you go to bed at night. Use a tool like a cotton bud to prevent it from going into your eyes. The moisturizer given by Vaseline can protect and nourish your eyelashes well. And with this, you can get a pair of thick eyelashes. 2. To get rid of blackheads. After steaming your face, apply Vaseline on the blackheads. Next, you can remove blackheads very easily with a tool that removes them. Be sure to cleanse your face afterwards. Makeup remover. Remove your makeup from Vaseline with the help of a cotton pad. This method is very suitable for removing eye makeup, because makeup that cannot be removed easily, like waterproof mascara, can be removed with this. Lip balm. Vaseline on your lips. Applying a small amount gives a glossy and moisturized look. Also, Vaseline can be introduced as a good product for chapped lips. To remove dark circles, apply Vaseline gently under your eyes before going to bed. This will eliminate wrinkles and dryness under your eyes. Highlighter. Vaseline can be applied to your cheeks along with powder blush and used as a highlighter. Or you can use only Vaseline to get a natural highlighter look. Scrub. You can make this scrub by mixing Vaseline with a little sugar or coffee. After that, massage the scrub diagonally on your face and wash it off. Moisturizer. Vaseline can be used as a moisturizer for dry skin and cracked skin. This keeps the moisture of your skin for a long time and also gives a shiny look to the skin. Lip sleeping mask. When the moisture level of the lips decreases, they become dry and stretchy. For this, apply Vaseline on your lips before going to sleep. And you can mix honey in this too. When Vaseline is applied to the lips, it increases the moisture and softness of the lips. Hair styling. When styling your hair, you can use Vaseline gel to straighten damaged hair and frizzy hair. To shave easily. When you apply Vaseline before shaving, it helps to shave very smoothly and also helps to prevent scratches. To maintain the fragrance for a long time. Before you use a perfume, apply Vaseline to the places where you use the perfume and use the perfume. It can maintain the scent of the perfume for a long time. So beauties, leave a comment on what you think about this video. Also, see you soon in another video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and give a like to the video. Share the video with your friends too. Bye!